Coronavirus drug Coronavir released in Russia. Russian pharmaceutical firm R-Pharm announced that it has released the coronavirus drug Coronavir in Russia. The company said that their factory in Yaroslav, a city northeast of Moscow, produces and labels the drug. So far, they have released 7,373 drug packages in civil circulation. In a press release, R-Pharm said that their drug Coronavir is one of the first drugs in the world that fights not the complications from SARS-CoV-2, but directly the virus itself. The drug is supposed to block the replication of the novel coronavirus, and it was proven effective in clinical tests. Coronavir is marked with a data matrix digital code, which is meant to work as a sort of drug's passport that guarantees authenticity and allows for the tracking of each package. Drug packages can be tracked from the moment it is produced to the moment it is delivered to medical facilities. Authorities can check the authenticity of each drug package using the Chesney Snack mobile application, which allows users to scan QR codes, labels, and data matrix codes. According to TASS, Russia's leading news agency, the government made drug labeling mandatory in the country starting July 1. On July 8, R-Pharm announced that Russia had approved their coronavirus drug following positive results from a clinical trial. Their trial, which involved coronavirus patients with mild or medium cases, resulted in the virus being eliminated by the fifth day of treatment in 77.5% of patients who took Coronavir. Researchers also saw an improvement in 55% of outpatient cases on their seventh day of treatment with the drug. However, only 20% of cases that received standard idiotropic therapy showed improvement. After 14 days, R-Pharm noted a significant difference as well. Mikhail Samsonov, medical director of R-Pharm, said that through global clinical practice in their clinical study, they were able to confirm that the drug puts a much more rapid stop to the infection as a result of its effective obstruction of the virus's replication. The study began in late May and involved more than 110 patients. According to Reuters, Coronavir is the third drug registered in Russia for the treatment of the novel coronavirus. Russia's health ministry approved the first drug, Avifavir, for use on patients beginning June 11, while clinical trials were still being conducted.